Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you how to make the best marinated cherry tomatoes. But before we get started, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and your bell notification is on to receive my latest video. And now let me take you over the ingredients to get started. The first thing we will need is cherry tomatoes. We will need about 1 cup of cherry tomatoes. We can cut them in half, like 4 times. This dish, you can have it as a side dish, you can have it on top of your avocado toast, you can have it on top of your salad, or honestly with anything that you like. It's really good, it's delicious since it's the season for it, for the summer season. The second ingredient that you will need is red onion. You will need 1/4 of a cup of red onion. Try to slice it as thin as possible. Third ingredient that you will need 1 garlic, minced garlic. You will need 1/4 of a cup of olive oil, 1 lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar. Also, you will need some salt for taste, depends how salty you like it, and some black pepper. Also, depends how you like it. Now let's mix it. And that's it, guys, we have it ready. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, and leave a comment below. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye!